Hello, welcome to Nyan Sagar. Today we were starting the SQL syllabus. In SQL, we are today learning the basic select statement. Okay, so there are different types of commands in SQL like DDL, DML, DQL, etc. So select is one of that. Today we are learning retrieving data using the SQL statement. The objective of this lecture is to extract data from the database. You need to use the structure query language. As I said, the SQL we have select statement we have to use. You may need to restrict the columns that are displayed. This lesson describes all the SQL statements that are needed to perform these actions. You may want to create select statement that can be used for more than once. This lesson also covers the SQL development environment in which you execute SQL statements. So for that you need to install Oracle SQL Developer. I have installed it. I will share the link to install the SQL software in the description box as I mentioned. Okay, so SQL statement. So there are different types of tables in Oracle SQL. So that table contains rows and columns, and the display what is projection and what is selection. So these are rows and columns as shown in these tables. The projection means column row wise row wise selection of rows. That is means projection. And selection means column wise selection of rows. That is means selection. And join means there are two tables, okay? Table 1 and table 2. If we want to join one row of a table 1 to the one row of table 2 means different rows from different tables, then we use the join conditions. Okay, I will show in SQL developer also. Okay. Okay, we will now go to the basic SQL select statement. Okay, so what is the formula? So you need to install Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, so basic is select statement. The you- the syntax for basic select statement is select select star from. Here we have to mention the column name. Okay, we will see here select star from column column name. Okay, column name means if we have okay we have selected employees. Let's take employee table. Okay, employees. Okay, as you see the result shows all the columns from the table, and employees is table name. If we have to show one of the column from the table, then we have to directly return the column name from table. Okay, okay. Now you can see the only column we have selected, we have written in this statement have shown in the result. Here, sorry, by mistake, it's not column, it's a table. We have to return table name. If after from statement, we have to return table name every time. Okay. Now we see, okay. Select identifies the column to be displayed. Okay, as I show, select identifies the column to be displayed. From identifies the table containing these columns. Here, not column, it's table. Okay. Next, selecting all columns. As I shown to you, select star. If we give star from departments, here it's used by departments. So select star. If we have to show all the columns, then we need to use star every time. Okay. Selecting specify columns. As as I told to you, select department ID or location ID from departments. Okay, we will take this as an example. Select. First, we will select all the columns from departments. It will gives you all the columns from department. Then select star from select department ID, comma. If we have to use, use one or more than one, two or more than two tables, then we directly use comma between these columns. Okay. Department name from departments. Okay. It will show department ID and department name. Okay. Then next, writing SQL statements. So these are some of the conditions to writing the SQL statement. SQL statements are not case sensitive. Means what? If we can use D as a small or D as capital. Then it will show result like same. Okay. Then next, SQL statement can be entered on one or many lines. We can enter one this statement as this, this. We can show multiple times. The result will be same. But the both from this query, this we have to see here query result and query result one as shown. Okay. Keywords are not to be abbreviated or split across lines. Clauses are usually placed on separate lines. So these are the conditions to write the SQL statement. You can take screenshot of these. Okay. Column heading defaults. SQL developer. Default heading alignment is center and default heading displays uppercase. Okay. So we can learn this arithmetic expression in the next session. For now, we will stop here. You can subscribe, like, and share to my channel and this video. Please like this.